I saw that. I got that.
Yeah, back with some more Roblox, and we are doing another round of natural disaster survival. I finally, after a long while, we are actually doing a new round with Columbia Fan 1.
Yeah, we know. It's been about like 8 or 7 months since we last did it.
Like 8 or 7 months.
Natural disaster video, so
Yeah, a full one.
remember guys, troll. Not even 30 seconds into the video already got a troll.
Was it 30 seconds? I don't know. Yeah.
I mean like not even 30 seconds into the video. That's what I mean.
Alright, sorry
Oh.
that I haven't been uploading for like a week. It was just like all busy stuff. I've been trying to get the Roblox Studio. I'm creating a new game called TTC Line 3.
Yeah.
You can check it out when it's in like beta.
Ooh, fire.
Fire! I'm on fire.
Yeah.
So I'm working on the game with Danny Benny.
Oh.
And Danny's.
Ow! Stupid rocket.
Did you die?
No.
I thought you died. Huh.
Oh crap! I forgot there was fire. Oh, are people still committing suicide? Really?
Bruh.
Wait, is it on fire or not?
Okay.
Oh hell no.
Just
Oh hell no.
Oh, you know what? I'm gonna be your.
Oh hell no. Oh, hell no.
Be Daredevil.
I'm out of here. Oh crap!
Dang, what? I'm surviving.
No. Oh my gosh, I'm actually like the last survivor.
Apple.
OMG, the rocket's on fire. Oh my god, wow! Are you okay there? You sound like you're in a bit of danger.
I actually survived.
Okay,
I survived in the tower
How?
because I'm awesome. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, come on, push her down. Okay. Anyways, I thought that person got one. Wow, a lot of people lost health.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have a big party here.
Yeah, we're going. When you go. Oh, so sorry if I can't speak. This is great. This video is already going to have cringe. Oh crap. That's not gonna be good.
Yeah, we're gonna look at this video like 6 months later after this, and we're gonna be like, "What the hell was this?"
Yeah, it's like the third one, the first one.
Yeah, like a year ago. Yeah. Oh, let me guess, it's acid rain because it came really. Oh, you're lucky it didn't hit on my head.
What? No, the guy actually got into the rocket before.
What?
That's not possible. That's not physically possible.
Well, haha. I'm gonna go inside of the rocket. Speaking of rockets. Wow, this guy. Yeah. My goodness. Whatever people do not go to the top because it's dangerous. Oh my gosh, this guy's shirtless. Huh? There's a shirtless guy. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh my. Oh hell. Oh hell. Oh hell. Whatever you do not go more higher than 4 floors. Whatever the hell you do. Crap! I fell. Oh god, I'm almost dead. You usually eat fish, but you're the only way to survive. Oh crap, I'm almost dead. Crap! I have like I have like
Yeah,
bye bye. Oh crap! Oh. Oof.
I wonder what the disaster is going to be for the next map.
Yeah.
I was fired.
By the way, if you ever hear planes like going really loud, then then there's a little bit of an air show. I don't know when it's at, but
There's the air show on here.
yeah, it's the time of the year where the air show happens at the beginning of September, even though it's the end of August. Jigs, double jigs, no, quadruple jigs, chunka.
That's triple jinx.
Oh, it's a blizzard.
Talk to them.
You're not doing good with the jinx. Wow, cringe. Cringe alert.
Oh crap! I'm at the top of the tower.
Why did you go to the top? I'm at like the 11th or 10th floor. I'm pretty sure the tower fall. Yeah, I'm on there. I'm pretty sure the tower will fall if yeah. If it's blizzard. Wow! Oh my gosh. People. Oh yeah, broadcast said you should have done that 25 minutes ago. I'm pretty sure that part. I'm gonna get out of here. Oh god. The tower is already. The tower is already. Oh my. Okay, this is not. Oh, okay. Every time I go down, I'm almost falling another. I always fall 2 floors. I'm at the 2nd floor now. Or 3rd floor. Yeah, I'm on the 2nd floor, not 3rd. Oh god. Oh god, it's falling, I think. Oh my god! I saw that! I got that! Oh my god! What the hell? Oh my gosh. Oh god, the tower's totally down. Oh my god. Please tell me I was able to say this. I saw you! Wow! Oh my gosh, okay. If I die, I'm gonna end my video because I want to save my storage.
Next map briefing was.
This is supposed to be fun. I'm gonna run over here.
Well, there's no hamburger place here, so what are you talking about? Puns? Buns? What?
Puns. Duns. I said duns. I'm pretty sure some guy was named Iron Man.
Buns?
Yeah.
Okay. So right here.
Is it an earthquake?
So over here is where I did the CCTV. If you want to do CCTV over here, then that's the.
And I got flung.
People.
Oh, hi, X-Men.
Wow, the cars are really messed up for this. How is this guy getting up here? How is this guy even getting up here?
I don't know.
Like,
Is it a volcano?
you might try to.
Oh, crap.
Oh my gosh, aliens come down on us.
Oh, I think X-Men died.
Boys.
Yeah.
You told them, boys.
Woo! You always stay in one place when some. Oh, crap.
Let me try to.
Oh, on Rainbow whatever. Wait, on Rainbow 2014. Oh, that red card is. Oh my god. Yeah, I saw that. No, I also saw that. Yeah. Oh my god. Look up. Look up. Boom. I died. Oh my god, the place. Oh my
I
god.
feel like I'm sinking. The world is literally like rising up because.
Okay, well, I'm gonna end my video here, so yeah. Bye. Yeah, I'm out of here. I feel like you're calling me. Oh my! What did you just do? Whoa! Oh my god! That was so close! That was so close! Someone died!